Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can activate the developer option on your Android phone. Currently I'm using Samsung A71. So let's begin the video. So all you need to do is to just drag from here and you need to tap on the setting option. So once you go to your phone setting, you need to scroll down and you will find the option about phone. So all you need to do is to tap on about phone. The next thing that you need to tap is the software information. So all you need to do is to tap on the software information, and here you will find the option build number. So now all you need to do is to press multiple time on build number like this, and so once you tap on the build number multiple times, and then you need to just go back and one more time, and as you can see at the bottom about phone, just below the about phone option, you will find the developer option. So once you tap on the developer options, so here from here you can off the developer option once again if you want to, and here you can scroll down and you will find so many developer option on your phone which is activated. From here you can turn it on or turn off. So there are many options. So before turning it on or off, all you need to know about those options, and then you can use it. So guys, this is all it takes to activate the developer option, or you want to off it. So from here you just tap on this option and the developer option will be deactivated again. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.